Thank you. 제일 먼저 라세 Dream Yoga upstairs.
So today's teaching will be on Dream Yoga.
예물에 그 주제마다 소대에 차송 여기 프랑스 교시나 그거나.
So we will pray through the dedication to Triple Marble 3 times. If you know, then you can join us.
네,
不好意思。
나한테 들지 그래 기가를 세는 천원씩이 우주를 제조 되고 있습니다.
Sometimes when I recite this dedication, it's so moving and touching that it moves me into tears.
cry. 가르스라는 네 제가 소소의 리더이나 주제마밖에 송도 한데 내지 조다비가 세 미세게创新です. 이장 프랑게 송가의 소소의 내지의 세의 제 토야의 천만의 그 즉 세티 즉 그래서 단어도 대중국에서 미세게 천하지도 가르치 우주부여라고 내리는 모습이었어요.
So when I read his teaching and practice his teaching, it gives me so much immense happiness that it sometimes moves me to tears. You get that sort of feeling when you have such a profound teaching you have read. When you read through that sort of teaching, it has such a positive effect on you that it moves you to tears.
다른 분들이 주요가 되나 포마트 주요가 subject나
So in terms of Dream Yoga, within the Dream Yoga there's two different courses, which is like preliminary courses or introduction course, and the second one is called the main part of teaching. So I will give you an explanation on the preliminary course first.
Thank you.
문제
모츠니 세 디체게 바나 콜 트거로 너무 좋아해서 지금 용례도 줄고 너무 좋아해요.
So in India, Asian school, the teacher like Tilakar and Marpa, and they have been practicing the doing yoga, and then they practicing so long that they managed to dispel the sadness and suffering from oneself, and only happiness.
아베 벤제 나로베 로마 마발로자 게 벤제 나로베 주니 두요가 슈르 단다데 나로 추루슈 나로 추루베나니 아주 두요가 슈르제스 두요가 두요가데 데체지 이장데 차상한데 마발로자와 슈 디브르스 덴창 파랑게 relativo soba tusi tuzo kandelema ani chebe nam chebe kunzo ge yi to du roma sola du ga nyam so nam chebe yang dune de choba ta se mo cheba mo chube.
So there been 6 different teachings have been passed on from Tilakar to Marpa. Narupa, so from Narupa to Marpa, and out of 6 main teaching, so one the dream yoga was one of the teaching, and through dream yoga, and then it been passed on to Milarepa, that through practicing dream yoga, that many managed to dispel the suffering in one's heart, one's mind, and managed to understand one's own consciousness.
내라제 안다데 주요가 데 주바데 두조탄데 나라가 투시 리추도제 차바타 강보가 나바니 조제베 양 마고치 로마 마고치다 두조나 체베 남시는 양 공조다 템포 중계게 주요가 명소라네 외사 차자친 동이 또 함께 주문
And through Milarepa, passed on to other different disciples and students. Like Richupa, Gangopa. And through them, through these teachings passed on to these students, and through those students, they passed on to the other students, and they've been a lot of positive effect and lots of benefit to other students.
아니 강보비 로마 파모주 강보비 로마 파모주리 주가 당 네 그 파모주가 남체네 파모주비 양 코랑게 로마베 토모마이 로마 제 두조다 조주 로마 먹고지라나 대신 남체네 디만 동이 도가 차례치
and so, and then one of the main students called Pamodrupa, and through him, and have been passed on to, especially as a 6-8, one of the best students of Pamodrupa. Through them, these teachings been practiced, and then they managed to understand emptiness, and there's lots of other beings who have reached realization and get freedom from samsara.
파모주리 로마 제게 남이 아니 주제마다 그렇지 마찬가지 템바스 데케 주제마다 그렇지 주제마다 그렇지 파모주가 로마 제게 남 로마 담보들에서.
So the founder of Mazankaji, is one of the 8 students.
난다데 주제마다 그렇지 아니 나로 추주 조제베 한다데 주인거가 조조찬의 양소랑 쿠란게 로마 소나 제베체 다들 니마 로마 통보를 조조찬의 만들 때 내시는 거 제티니마 렘베 주네 한다바다 네 만상까지 나오라 주인거가 차례치 양소랑 게 주바테 렘베시도 하나냐 거기가 되어요.
So there have been many other different students, but can't really go into explaining in detail of these two. But the Muslim culture have broken the lineage, the teaching that's been passing on. So Muslim culture is one of the profound sort of teaching we remain. So the main reason behind the practice of dream yoga is that we project whatever we doing during the daytime into our dream, and whatever you see in our dream to project during our daily life. And through this practicing, we try to understand that everything in this world doesn't have its independent existence, rather it's all interdependent. So the main purpose of the dream yoga is that we try to get free from samsara and try to understand the real emptiness of consciousness. So if we say that through this dream yoga we'll try to understand the emptiness of the consciousness and be free from the samsara, then I think many of us will not understand the whole sort of point of it. So the reason why at the moment we're trying to teach step by step, the easier one first, like in school, we start with the beginning of it, so that we can understand better. So those who have the fortunate or the fate or destiny that they have practiced in their last rebirth, then that sort of being doesn't really have to go through what we are going through, like step by step or like climbing a ladder. So in this introductory, I will explain the person who is practicing dream yoga, how he should lie down, or whether it's during the daytime or nighttime. So, like we did in our sleeping meditation, so it's the same, but we have to lie on our right side. So we should lie on our right, with our right palm under our right cheek, and our left hand should be set out on our left part of the body, and both our feet should be
양 신부시로 말하자면 거리에 도스 구경으로 치면 당부 정책으로 야하겠어.
So, since it's for the beginner, I think it's a good idea to not to stretch your leg straight, but rather a little bit bent at your knee.
양 때는 많이 왔지. 커두지 지구체 도시는 다 지금 저 계산으로 계획에는 도시체 주요가 제나에 미국에 되고
Or you can sit upright and leaning against the wall or something, and then you can practice do yoga as well.
대님의 소소 강대와 진행.
So you can choose whichever is comfortable for you.
단단한데 많이 주나 내가 어디 봐. 대체 나가 좀 무의식되다 되는 반 사진이.
So in terms of the main principal course, there are two different types.
무의식되다 사진이는 한번더라 신이 나와 대면도 소리 많았어.
So first one is called dream in kosh of untrue external feeling.
남기 나와 외사 대화 소리 많았어.
And second one is dream in kosh of happiness of internal light.
신이 나와 대면도 소리 봐도 가이고 드림과 달라 사체가 뭐지는 재미있나
So the first one, the dream in kosh of the untrue external feeling has two different types as well. Shapes, four different types.
달라 되는 한보 달라 마음 젠데 두유치 이바 달라 마음 젠데 유치 손바 달라 마음 종이 탑치 시바 달라 마음 킥세스 대시.
So the four type of the first the dream in question until the external feeling have is the first one is called the timing of grasping the dream, and the second one is called the place of holding the dream, and third one is called the method of exercising the dream, and the fourth last one is called the method of clearing the obstacle in the dream. Clearing the obstacles or obstruction in the dream.
다른 것도 한보때 마음 젠데 두유세 계절은 이제 마음 젠데 두유세 저랑 마음 생기라 주주 가비 생기래 쇼케 생기래 공부 생기래 연구 생기래 세모 생기래 세모 가비 생기래 마음 생기래 주주 가비 생기래.
So the first one is called timing of grasping the dream. So we are talking about whether it should be in the night time or middle of the night or daytime, the actual timing of the how you grasp the dream.
이제 마음 젠데 두유제 나도 하체와 세모만 주주 주발 많이 주주 손발 체크했으니 아니 dream가 생겨는 주주들.
So the best time to grasp the dream is from say when you sleep around 10 to 3:30 in the morning. So from 3:30 is precise move as being precise timing is from 3:30 is the best timing. From 3:30 in the morning is the best time to grasp your dream.
제가 되는 주저 송바스니까 차체주나 레바가 같이 이체.
So if you say we can have two different timings. But if you count from 3:30 in the morning.
당시 주저 송바니만 이주나 쇼게만도 수 남세카라는 저기샤 주었어. 저기도 마셔도 거루가 이거로 주저들아 주거가 생겨요. 주저 당도 됐어.
So the first timing is from say starts from 3:30 in the morning till the crack of dawn. that's the first stage of holding, grasping your dream.
Deni düzünüba de şobe geri çüşeni nimama geri şeni sonte nima çüşa nimama bengol ma şan kadroje nima çüşani düzü dindici konutla dünya gasiyenge düzünüba.
And the second timing is starting from the crack of dawn till you see the sun and the horizon basically.
Di nani da da de c'est du corps de là du yoga c'est du comment manier du yoga c'est ne que 가르치는 님 세모비 남치 유비 기지라 생겨 제카를 그만큼 저와 되는 인걸 봤어.
So there will be a question, why from 3:30 onwards? So there might be a question, why not from 10 o'clock?
그 전생의 가르라면 토마만 좀 막운다면 예두나 만족의 상원나 나와야 망치와대 그래서 뭐는 이샤가 이비네야 이모 관계 내가 지야다 이미 관계지 내가 동문다고 세대 가르쳐 보이는 그 소나데 슈체모고 샤니 두요가 땡땡 시작한 거야.
The reason why is that from 10 to 3:30 we normally project whatever we experience during the daytime it appears in that span of time, and so that's why it's quite hard to do the dream yoga.
양가에 되려면 이미 가면 내가까지 가고제 탕치되어서 통화만 이들이 내가 한창 개만 레벨이 투고 공부로 있잖아. 주요가 생투가
And sometimes that you work so hard during the daytime that you are so tired, and then from like when it comes night time you go into very deep sleep.
니들 투고들만 쿠르들 주요가 생투들 전체 가져서 저거는.
So if you explain why you can't really hold grasp of dream yoga when you go into deep sleep. So our body is basically formed because of the four elements. So sometimes when you are so tired, you become your body becomes stiff. So there's basically no control on yourself other than sleeping. So it's because that the earth element is basically absorbing into the water element in our body. So that's the effect we have when that process starts. So normally you have a feeling when you're really tired, you sort of lose control of your body, and you can't stand other than lying down. So it normally happens. So that's a clear indication that the element of earth is basically absorbing into the element of water. So because of that sort of predicament, that practicing doing yoga is very hard.
나한테 좋아 취미 좋아대 매일 좋아를 같은 것도 아니 단계를 잡는 투체를 이거를 내체를 투치.
So when the water element absorbs into the fire element, then you descend into deeper sleep, deeper than earlier class.
예전 취미 좋아대 추위 좋아대 유가대 근데 파 매일 좋아대 팀들 되는 맞아 내도 급세 지고치 내도 급세도 슈체모치 이자 아니 수고가 부자들 유가도 참아도 내가 차체네 근데 가시라 니고샤데 카마 카주도 되는다고 가시라 문화 되는다고 그리고 그것도 뭔가데 당세도 같은 나비기나 나도 추위 좋아
So another indication of the water element, the power of water element absorbing into the fire element is that you fall into a much deeper sleep, and when you're in such a deeper sleep that your body becomes so heavy, at the same time you can see so you start to sweat or you have start to kind of saliva coming out of your mouth.
다들이 다들 매일 좋아. 껍질이나 되는 주요가 제약에 고급여 말때 그거 나통이들 마차고요. 자 주요가 상황하고 그 두적으로 하는 거지.
So at that moment there's no time to practice dream yoga because it's only there will be only darkness.
난 좋아 매일 좋아도 유바때 근데 롱도 좋아도 유바를 같은 것들을 당기 마마시바 내장 내가 국체에 유슈치에 제바다 투치.
So then when the power of fire element dissolves into power of wind element, then your sleep become even more deeper and more like deeper, but much more deeper sleep.
이게 다 그들들라 되네 좋아 내일 좋아도 유바다 롱도 좋아를 같은 팀들라 아니 먼저 수고게 단세로 수고게 주체 지치 주체 추체.
So the another indication that the element absorbing into wind element is that your body temperature will increase immensely.
人的먼저 그들들라 수고게 주체를 먼저 민감의 수고게 주체를 이제 하고 그 주체를 체크해요.
So at that moment, our body temperature would increase much more than what we have during the daytime.
먼저 전화지에는 배는 수소 칸바데서 칸바나 미미감 고기 구조를 잡으면 칸바고 기구들을 못 받아 추구하는 거지. So 온다 제모는 니나 고기 구조니 상위 쇼기야랑 그다음에 기구조 전에 공파를 추구를 차지할 수고게 니 정말 매일 좋아대 롱도 좋아라 티고 이장 수고를 줄지 님이 그 수고 줄지 파 줄지 체모 로이 맞세.
So during the daytime, if you are indoor and your door and windows are shut, you won't really see any condensation forming on the windows. So, but in the night time, you see that in the morning you see the condensations on the window. That shows that the immense increase in the body temperature because the wind element have absorbed, fire elements absorbed into wind elements.
안 좋아 롱도 좋아도 예바데 나도 망시를 같은 것들라 니들 당기 강내 셔버리 이제 니 투치 치치.
So when the power of water elements absorbs into consciousness or cognitions, then the level of sleep will be much deeper.
예전 것들라
So when the power of water element absorbs into consciousness, then your breathing won't be normal, but rather there will be fluctuations. Sometimes it's shorter and sometimes it's longer. So, like sometimes when you in a deep sleep, sometimes you snore. You snore. Sometimes you snore long, and sometimes you snore short. So it shows that there's no normality in your breathing. So sometimes you see like some people they breathe out, very long breathe out, and then they stop breathing for a moment, and then all of a sudden they do it again. So that shows that the power of water element, so wind element, is absorbing into our consciousness. So from the time, say from 10 o'clock to 3:30, during that time you will sleep with deep sleep, because the process of the four elements absorbing into each other, eventually it absorbs into one's consciousness. So this is the movement, this process going on. So it's very hard to practice your dream yoga. So I have taught you might know in Bhagavad teaching, as a person dies, how the four elements exhaust into each other and eventually into one's consciousness, and that's the end. How the last breath. So I have said that when the feeling during the time when you're dying, that the four elements absorbing into each other is pretty much similar. What happens during the night time when you sleep, that when the four elements absorb into each other. So it's quite similar when I tell you about how four elements absorbing into each other as we sleep. So when that happens, it's only darkness. We don't have any sort of feeling. So as around 3:30 at the crack of dawn, then the clarity in our consciousness return. So whatever you feel, during the in Bhagavad is same as what we feel and see in the dream.
This was a great thing with the core loan
So it really makes sense when Naruto says that whatever you do in the daytime, your projection, whatever you do during the daytime projects in your dream nighttime, and whatever you do in the time of your death, you also see the same projection. So it's very similar between whatever you see during the parkour and whatever you see during the dream. So it's very true. So we recognize the dream yoga as a part of our Buddhist science. So what we have to do is we have to do the search. We have to do research, be rationalized, and we shouldn't accept it just because it's been said by Panchen Naropa and Marco. So when you learn that you understand the reason, when you understand that it's logical behind the whole teaching, then you will grow the profound belief in the mastery. So the second one, the place of holding the dream. So when we talk about place of holding the place of dream, so we are trying to understand how we do that and where we do, where we hold the dream. So when we say place of holding the dream, when you think about it, there's many different stages. So first, when we talk about where we should focus our concentration is between our eyes. I've already said during the sleeping meditation that focusing on your between your eyes, I've said that it will come up in the dream yoga.
In the Tawa way Kabo, Wendang and Nawi Wendang, a Cheju Dabode, and a Seman Jibu Cheju, the Katsam, the Yodevachi, and the Tawa Kansam.
So you should visualize a speck of light, but that light should have the sort of intensity of moonshine. You should visualize that in front on between your eye. So if we say the reason why we are focusing on our forehead, between our eyes, so the reason why is because we have in our human body we have so many channels, and so out of all these channels we have 3 main channels.
로자 오마 시기네라 렉저게 되나 아와 두티스 아와 두티 베이나 간다 자 오마 선나 자 오마 데 고데 내가 또 고데나 자와 데
So, the one of the main channel, the middle channel, the main channel, in Japan we get Uma, and in Pali it says Awadoti. In Pali script is called Awadoti. So, which is the main central channel in our body. So, the end of our central channel is on our forehead, between our eyes, on our forehead. So, I have explained this one during part of teaching. So, those who are familiar with part of teaching will know.
내 자원 내게 자오마데 내가 인자 만족의 준대 만족 상호 당규나 나 인내 제규나 롱이 바이난다 틀리 바이난다 참아 자오마게 남나 야마 로야게 인내치야 되는 준대가 하는 거 당대로서.
So in one of the usually in our tantric practice, say whether the white essence of our father or the man wind or energy goes up and down in that main central channel.
대단 신도 차례 롱대단 신도 차례 세이 못에 나도 자오마가 나니 지오니마 전반으로 왔다 전반 니가 대반으로 chen 도스게 나도 나주 나로 추중 당내 제규를 장다대 제고요.
So normally when we practice 6 different teaching of Naropa, what we do is the subtlest form of our consciousness, the subtlest form of energy, we move from our point on our forehead to our throat chakra, and down to heart chakra, and then down to navel chakra.
예전에도 토마 주요가 상황담주나 웬담데 내가 자원하는 상황담 비비기나 주요가 상황 수승되었다 생각.
So to begin in the beginnings, if we visualize on the forehead, then it's much easier and simpler to hold the to practice doing the yoga.
일단 나한테 자원되다 왜 세마 체주서요 웬담데 그 왜가 남아랑 자수는 신도 왜가 남아랑 나도봐 양때 왜의 지금 아주 도도나는데 생주요 주주요 차고라고 등기들이 상황관계이나 노출 세상에 따라.
So when you visualize the tiny speck of light, and you should visualize it as a light, but not as a solid, not object. But then if you do that, then it's a mistake.
제가 주요가 정주라 주요가 자원이 장만은 게 지비나 당분이 관계 시험을 나중에 자원 왜 생각하는
So if you haven't practiced before, then this is the time that we should visualize that the whole light on our forehead.
양 외에 나오니 취샤라 시로니 왜 너무 파샤한데 상황관이.
So there's a two ways of doing it. So there's a one that you can project that light from within yourself, and another one is that the light projected